Hello and welcome to another fun and exciting point of sale related video. Purpose of this video is to provide a brief overview of how to manually enter or adjust cost for products using the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. This video, of course, is just a quick overview and is not intended to be a substitute for formal training or an in-depth demo. So this came to be because in my recent travels, spending some time on site at multiple retail stores, I came across many of you who have what we'll call one-of items. Basically, maybe it's a special order or it's a special purchase, but you're going to buy the product, it's going to be sold, and it's never going to be purchased again. So you don't need a lot of the details as far as purchasing on POs or reorder points or any of that stuff. A really good example is, since I spent some time with some pool stores, is you do a lot of one-of parts. So let's use that scenario and I'll walk you through this so you can get a feel for how it works. So let's say I go into the store and I need a pool pump. Mine went out, I need a new one. So Joe employee at the store is going to go to add a new product. You probably looked in the manufacturer's catalog and figured out what I needed. You don't have it, so you're going to special order it, realizing that you'll probably never end up ordering this pump again. So we'll have it create our UPC. We'll put in the description. It's a 10 horsepower pool pump from ABC Manufacturing. If I can spell or abbreviate manufacturing correctly. And their part number is 1R, 2T, 3R. And let's see, we'll probably not enter too much else. Of course, this depends on the type of details or tracking that you want. Maybe you will put it into a miscellaneous department or a special order department. And we'll probably add a note: special order will call for Kevin A. So we'll probably skip most of these other things with the except of course, need a sell price. I am not an expert on how much a 10 horsepower pool pump sells for, but let's guess that it's around $349. So there we go. We'll leave most of this other stuff. Again, we're not probably going to order this item ever again, so we're not going to get real detailed on it. We're going to save it. However, we do want to track cost. We want to make that as quick and easy for the staff to, or whoever is doing the ordering, to enter that cost. So we're going to click over our on hand. And we are going to be changing the cost. And let's see, if it's sold for $349, I'm going to say cost is probably around $179. And we'll say it's a special order. We are going to click over adjust. And of course we can pick, if you have multiple locations, you can pick which location this is going to be for. And there you go. Now we have our cost. And now you can special order that item for the customer. And I know I made this seem like a longer process than it really is, but once you get the hang of it, assuming you have a manufacturer's catalog, then you are probably looking at it taking about a minute for the item to be updated. There's our cost. And then hop over to the POS screen and actually sell it. So there you go. Very cool. And if for some reason the cost changes between when you ordered and when it's either drop shipped or sent to the store for a will call or normal stock, you can also go back and adjust the cost as needed. Pretty cool. For more information, see the video description for contact information. And thanks for watching.